This is the housing prices report, and this is the price list of the house prices in a district. We want to calculate the average of them. There are two functions to calculate the average, mean and median. Both of them can describe the center of data, but they work differently. To calculate the mean or average, we can use formula, which is a user-defined expression. We'll add the values together and then divide them by the number of values. And this is the result, $278,000. We can get the same value using the average function in the function library. Click the insert function and we'll get the function library dialog box. First, select the category of the function, which is a statistical function, and select the function average. Press OK, and this is the parameter dialog box. You can select the parameters by writing them or by selecting them from the Excel worksheet. And press OK. And this is the same result of the formula. To calculate the median value lies in the middle of a data set. Here the prices are arranged in an ascending order, so the median value is in the middle and is $130,000. We can get the same value using the Excel function median. Click the insert function and statistical category, and we'll search for the median function. And adjust the parameters. Drag the cells to the range of parameters, and we can get the same value. If you look at the prices, you see that $900,000 apartment or villa is more expensive than the others. So the median function can get a better indication for the average than the mean value.